Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first this evening, for a second time in days, there has been another victim of a vicious dog attack in St. Catherine. On this occasion, residents of Lauriston were united in their call for action. We have details in this report.
Same spot, same dogs, different victim. TVJ News was in the community of Lauriston only a week ago after dogs attacked and injured a resident. At the time, he was the latest victim in what residents complained had been a series of incidents involving the dogs. Concerns, too, at a nearby school. Well, the latest victim had only moments before picked up her daughter and a family member from the school when the dogs rushed them on Tuesday afternoon.
4 dogs attacked me and my friend and our big grandbaby. The baby was in my hand and she took the baby from me. And the dog attacked me and I choke on my cousin, attacking my cousin. I choke on my cousin and so come the dog bite me. But 4 of them attacked me. And my butt bite it out bad, man. Doctor, it cannot not be stitched.
KADIAN did have a baby now and she dropped with the baby, and when me take the baby out of my hand now, the 3 dogs them run and trip me. Drop me on ground. See there? Drop me on ground. With the baby in my hand, and when me dug it up, me have to reach over the son and lady there, have to take the baby out of my hand, or else the baby would be a dead baby, how the dog them would have bite her up.
Them said the baby have to do one brain scan because she have bruises to her head.
Residents held a mini protest outside the gate of the house where the dogs are kept. We got a glimpse of them locked in a kennel.
So why they not put them up from the beginning? I just see them on in them bill gate and them still have the dog round the front. Why?
They tell me take him dirty dog them outside place. We don't need them here, so. We don't want to dog them here, so.
The people also pointed us to this hole in the wall. They say it's where the dogs made their escape from the yard to the road. When we contacted the dog owner, he said since last week's incident, he's constructed a new fence to confine the dogs to the back of the house. He further explained that work was being done to release water which had settled in the yard. The dogs escaped through the trench, which had not yet been secured.